Grafting is difficult to do manually or one by one. Typically, the grafting rate has been low and efficiency has been unsatisfactory. But now, one single button can solve all of these problems. Try the Supreme Precision Grafting Robot and solve the key problems of manual grafting, such as inefficiency, inaccuracy, and the exhaustion that repetition creates. Based on our 20-plus year-long expertise, Helper Robotech has developed advanced machinery technologies in facility horticulture growing seeding locations. Helper Robotech's Supreme Precision Grafting Robot is a product of global recognition and worldwide choice. This product overcomes continuous cropping hazards due to salination. It reinforces disease resistance against soil-borne infestation and defeats farming stability-threatening factors due to abnormal climate. In the past, grafting used to be a huge burden as it required intensive concentration, superb skills, and intense labor. Particularly, manual grafting produces uneven, cut surfaces, prone to fatal side effects such as virus infections via workers. In response to these challenges, Helper Robotech introduced its Supreme Precision Grafting Robot, the AFGR-800CS. The AFGR-800CS can be used for both cucurbitaceae and solanaceae through simple manipulation. To use the machine, first choose auto or manual operation. After choosing cucurbitaceae, apply stock and scion to each supply part. Place the leaf being cut facing toward the user. Pull the stem slightly downward to maintain stability. Set the tongs part at 0. Pick up the stalk and scion with the tongs and turn 90 degrees using the photosensor. In the stalk part, press the uncut leaves using the guide and cut the section. In the scion part, the stem is cut only using air. It is most desirable to graft 8 to 12 millimeters away from the cotyledon at a 30-degree angle. The machine views the understock and grafted transplant with a vision camera and recognizes the outlying deviation value from the reference value in order to rotate the understock or transplant motor to the deviation value. The robot ensures high-precision grafting to improve durability, reliability, and precision. Upon cutting, the unused parts are naturally released through the hole in the lower part. The tong part rotates 90 degrees again to place the understock and grafted transplant on the position of the graft. The graft is fixed with the tongs and moved via conveyor belt. For Solanaceae, select the Solanaceae on the touch screen, and the same process will be applied as for. It is most desirable in the case of Solanaceae to graft 10 to 20 millimeters under the lowest leaf of the grafted transplant and 40 to 60 millimeters above understock roots at a 30-degree angle. Compared with manual work, the graft rate and homogeneity are far higher. This method is applicable regardless of the existence of roots. This simple operation method is another great advantage of the AFGR-800CS, further satisfying users. Users can easily adjust the transplant delivery angle, transplant stem cut position, understock stem cut position, understock delivery angle, and tong position. Moreover, the vision camera helps rotate the motor as much as the outlying deviation value from reference line, ensuring supremely precise grafting. Any non-expert can use the machine without issue. Consumers can also enjoy the machine's easy maintenance and reuse plastic clips. Remarkably, the machine elevated economic effectiveness by producing up to 800 sets of graft per hour. The product has already been recognized in 30 countries around the world for its low cost and high efficiency. Helper Robotech is a reliable partner for your food, using leading scientific and safe technology.